Okay, on the last video, it was supposed to be the absolute value of r minus 680 is less than or equal to 34. This is the range. I thought we were just doing the highest and lowest, but just in case you were wondering, that's the difference. Okay, so now we're going to graph an absolute value function using transformations. We know the basic function. I'm going to put it like in like an orange dotted line here. Now, like I said in an earlier video, sometimes students are like, well, let me just throw a V down there. But the shape actually makes a difference to us because of the stretching and the compression. So your points have to actually be points on the graph. Okay, but now we're going to go ahead and we're going to transform this. This minus 3 is going to move it 3 units to the right. And this 2 is going to be a vertical stretch. You could do the stretch first if you wanted to. And then the 4 is going to make it move 4 units up. Okay, so I'm going to go 3, take this 0 point here. I'm going to go 3 to the right. 2 times 0 is 0, so I don't have to do anything there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I needed a bigger piece of graph paper. Okay, but there's the point. Now if I take this point 1, 1, I'm going to have to multiply the output, which is 1, times 2. So it's going to go up here. And it's going to go up here. It doesn't want to let me draw it. And then there's going to be the negative 1 that's going to be there. So you're going to get a stretched V, and it's going to look kind of like, looks like a reindeer. Anyway, those lines are supposed to be straight, but it's going to look like that. So you can see it's a stretched V shape, and it's shifted 4 units to the right and 3 units up. And you're like, well, what if I don't think that's really right? Well, let's plug in a value then. Let's plug in a value for x. So we have f of x is equal to 2 times the absolute value of x minus 3 plus 4. Let's put in 4. So f of 4, which would be this point right, it would be this point right here, okay, because that's where f is 4. 2 times, times the absolute value of 4 minus 3 plus 4, or 2 times 1 plus 4. And that's going to be 2 times 1. The absolute value of 1 is 1, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So that's where it should be. It should be over there at 6. Maybe mine's a little high. Okay. And if you put in like -2, you should get 6 as well. Let's do that. F of f of 2. Did I say -2? F of 2. You'd have 2 times the absolute value of -1 plus 4, but the absolute value of -1 is 1, and 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay? You could do more of that with ordered pairs, but that's how it graphs using the transformations. Okay.